Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the PZ trend trading indicator. Okay, so this indicator is for sale on the MT4 marketplace. As you can see, it's currently priced at 125 US dollars. However, you can try out the free demo. I recommend that you try out the free demo before making any financial commitment. Once you click on this, if you have your MT4 platform installed, you can just tap on this so that it's going to direct you to where you can test the free demo. All right, and see how the free demo is. Okay, so if you are satisfied with what you see, then you can proceed to make the necessary financial commitments if you really want to make use of this indicator. All right, now let us just briefly look at how the indicator works, to get an idea of if you're even going to be interested in it in the first place. Now you can see these are some of the parameters: the indicator period, if you want your subtrend to be displayed, pullbacks, breakouts, corrections, the history bars, dashboard, statistics and settings, all of that, right? So this indicator, it offers trading opportunities. Okay, it shows you trend change, pullbacks, breakout directions and all of that. Let's just head over to the chart, the image. As you can see, you will notice that the indicator gives you information across time frames, right? So it shows you whether the trend is strong, whether it is weak, whether it's an uptrend, whether it's a downtrend across the different time frames, right? So you can see currently 1 minute is a strong downtrend, 5 minutes is a strong uptrend, 15 minutes strong uptrend, 30 minutes strong uptrend, 1 hour strong uptrend, 4 hours weak downtrend, the daily strong uptrend, weekly weak downtrend. In addition to that, you can see that the indicator, writes these values on the chart: 1, 2, 3. The one shows you trend changes, right? Like here, it was a bullish trend and then it changed to bearish. So this value 1 shows you that the trend changed, right? So once it appears, you will have an idea that the trend is changing. And then number 2 shows pullbacks. So here you can see there was number 2 painted here, number 2 painted here, number 2 painted here. That shows you that this were just mere pullbacks, right? These are just mere pullbacks. Okay, but then number 3 shows breakout. Okay, so this shows you that there was actually a breakout from this zone. Yeah, there were breakouts here, right? You can see there was actually a small breakout from here. Number 3, there was a small breakout here, right? Number 3, there was also a breakout here. Okay, so the indicator actually gives you valuable information that you can take advantage of. All right, valuable information that you can help to make that can help you to make informed trading decisions. Okay, now if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to consider doing that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.